Hey guys, we haven't done a room tour video since Daytona, but we are on a one-night stay in St. Augustine. So we are staying at a Quality Inn. It's in St. Augustine. There's several in this area, but this is the one near the outlets. So this room was literally like 80 bucks for the night, and it was a really good price. So we booked it and jumped on it. So here is the entrance. Now, just so you're aware, this is the kind of hotel where there's like outside, there's no like in-room hallways. This is all outside stuff. So here's the door where you walk in, and it does have an adjoining room. We already checked because we were like, what is this door? And then this is the start of it. So this is where you walk in. To the right, there's a nice little chair. And then over here, there's a table with a chair. We have fruit and bags on it. Lamp, mirror. And then this is basically the room. So we got a king size bedroom. We usually try to. On the table, there's some outlets. Then we have this over here with the TV with lots of drawers. Same thing on this side. We have, I guess, some outlets and some lights on both sides of the bed. This is what I was like pleasantly surprised about. Like if you were a family or something, or if you were staying here for a couple nights, you basically have like a mini kitchen. There's like a sink, there's some storage underneath, there's a microwave, there's a fridge. The fridge is pretty decent. So it's pretty cool. I wasn't like expecting this at all. So this is a nice feature to have. And then just your basic stuff. We already hung up some shirts. Hello. I wore my Bucky shirt today because we went to two Bucky's. Went to Daytona and St. Augustine. So this is the bathroom situation, and then the toilet with the shower. So, you know, that room that we stayed in Daytona, we already said that like surpasses this by miles, but this is literally just for one night, so we can handle it. We're not picky people. You know, we just need a place to sleep. Oh, and there's a full-length mirror too. Hey. So again, the Quality Inn in St. Augustine, and it's literally right off of 95. Oh, and it's pet friendly. They charge like, I don't know, 15 bucks. So you can tell it's been renovated. We already noticed this because of the floors, and it's perfect for your pets if you have pets. So you never know. All right, that's all for now, guys.